Hey productivity hackers! Ever feel like your to-do list keeps growing while your time keeps shrinking? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 insanely useful ChatGPT prompts that can save you hours this week, whether you're a creator, freelancer, solopreneur, or just tired of digital chaos. These prompts are practical, not gimmicky, and I'll break down exactly how to use them with live examples. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you how to stack these prompts into a full-on workflow system you can repeat every single week. Reply to the following email in a polite and professional tone, confirming receipt and setting a follow-up next week. Insert email text. Let's start with the monster we all face, email overload. This prompt helps you batch reply to emails quickly. Simply copy, paste incoming emails and let ChatGPT draft polite, customized replies. Here's a list of random tasks. Please organize them into categories and suggest a priority order with deadlines. Insert tasks. Your brain dump just turned into a productivity system. This prompt helps you make sense of overwhelming task lists by asking ChatGPT to structure and schedule them. Write a 5-slide LinkedIn carousel post on 3 AI tools that save solopreneurs time, using a friendly, expert tone. Need to post consistently but short on time? This prompt gives you a full piece of content ready for Instagram, LinkedIn, or a YouTube short. I have 10 hours this week for content creation, 5 for client work, and 3 for admin. Plan a weekly schedule with buffer time. Let ChatGPT help you budget your time like a boss. This is like having a virtual planning assistant. It's fast, accurate, and adjusts based on your energy or priorities. Summarize the following 10-paragraph article into 3 bullet points and list 1 action I should take after reading it. Insert article. Whether you're drowning in research or newsletters, this prompt extracts the important stuff in seconds. Want to automate your week even further? Stack these prompts together in a Notion dashboard, Google Doc, or even Zapier workflows. There you have it, 5 ChatGPT prompts that can save you hours and a bonus workflow to scale your productivity. If you found value here, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share your favorite ChatGPT prompt in the comments. Next video, we'll show how to use ChatGPT to automate admin tasks like a pro, so make sure you're subscribed with the bell on.